Guys, how are you doing? Hope you're having a blessed day. Came out this morning. We're gonna sharpen blades, do all that good stuff, and my hydro reservoirs were empty on the mower here, so I had to fill it up. You got to pay attention to that on this type of system. So we've got our buddy Abel coming over. He's going to help me with some oil changes and stuff. He wants to learn how to do some of this stuff, so he's coming over to hang out. And we will get plenty of footage. We're going to jump into the RBG 712 today, sharpen some blades. Yeah, so, and we're going to use some tools, which I love. I love using tools, man. I don't know what it is. I don't know. Do you guys like it? I don't know any man with a man card that doesn't like working with tools. So I'll see you guys shortly. Guys, if you're going to change blades on one of these, you're going to have to go to the back here. I made the mistake of lifting the deck up once, and there was a loud pop. Didn't hurt it, but you don't want to do that. There we go. Okay, so always wearing my Toros, man. Love these glasses. These are the clear, no fog, just regular eye protection glasses. And guys, if you haven't bought Strike Hold, get you some. I'll put a link in the description. Let's sharpen these up. All done. Nice and sharp. So we got the one mower done. It's all finished, greased, new blade sharpened, oil changed. And here is the Silver Soldier. What's up, Silver Soldier?
What's going on, family?
Hey, and we are getting the Skag V-Ride done. Oil is draining over here. Let me show you. I love draining the oil on both of these because they're so easy, man. That one's, I don't know if you guys can see down in there. It's going right into that bucket. And then we'll take that filter off. That's the only thing about the stand-ons. The filters make a mess, but that's no big deal. So we will get some, I don't know. What do you think about that V-Ride, man?
I like it. I ain't gonna lie. I feel like a kid in a candy store. It's nice.
It's fast, isn't it?
Fast.
Yeah.
Fast.
So we'll get that. He may be using this a little bit this year. Maybe.
Maybe.
Yeah, you never know. So we might get some video of him running this, but we'll be back. Whatever you do, guys, don't procrastinate on rain days. Get your maintenance done. When you're not working, be doing something, whether it's giving bids, working on your vehicle, working on your trailer, some piece of equipment, or whether you're planning the next job. But don't just sit around and do nothing, because then you are wasting time, and then you're going to wish you had that time back. Unless it's next Monday and it's your wife's birthday and you got to go celebrate it with her, and it's going to be raining anyway. So happy birthday, Miss Sarah. I love you. And let's get these blades back on. I'll see you in a minute. Guys, I just got the gift of a lifetime. Big Dog Silver Soldier just offered me $20K for the V-Ride. Sold. It's done. He's taking it today. No, we got everything done, oil changed. She runs like a kitten, don't she? And look who's here, the birthday girl. Whoa. How young are you going to be Monday? Is it 22?
Let's see, I'm 21 for the 21st time.
No, you're 20 for the 21st time.
Yep, 20 for the 21st
Yeah.
time.
And we're just going to go pig out Monday, right?
So, hubby loves me, and I'm going to get pancakes.
There you go. Wait. What'd you say?
Amen.
So, that mower's ready to go. This mower's ready. No, guys, they're not getting washed. It's raining out. We will wash them. Dude, how much rain do we have coming this? I mean, we're going to get like 1 day of mowing.
Probably.
I think I'm going to see if Miss Sarah will go out with me because I'm probably going to be out till like midnight mowing so we can make some money. Well, we've got rain today, tomorrow, Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Yeah,
And
so
it's the weekend too.
yeah. I miss spring in Ohio, and now my leg is finally good so I can do things. I will tell you, I do have some pain in the leg still. It's only been a little over 10 weeks, about 10 and a half weeks, so the pain will be there for probably 3-4 months, and then it'll start to go away. But guys, I hope you enjoyed this one. Listen, don't procrastinate, man. Get things done when you have the time. You don't want to sit there and say, oh, I've got other stuff to do, I'll put it off. If you own a business, a lawn care business, you should be spending Monday through Friday doing some type of work, even if it's raining. So, hey, as always, Dr. Real,
Silver Soldier.
Queen of Mulch. We'll see you guys. Have a great day. Love y'all. Enjoy your weekend. Peace.